Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today I will show you how to use average formula in Excel. Whether you are working with student grades, sales figures or any data set, calculating the average is a common task. Okay, let's get started. Here, I have a list of test scores for several students and I want to calculate the average score for each student. Using Excel's average formula, this can be done in seconds. You start by selecting the cell where you want the average to appear. Then type an equal sign and type average. As you type, you will see Excel suggests the average function. Go ahead and double click on it. Next, you need to tell Excel where to look for the numbers you want to average. Let's say your scores are in cell B2 to F2. Just select the range or simply type the range. After selecting the range, close the formula with a parenthesis. So it looks like this. Now press enter. And just like that, Excel calculates the average score. It's as simple as that. This average formula is incredibly useful. You can use it to find average in student grades, monthly sales or any list of numbers. It's a go-to tool for summarizing data quickly. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next Excel tutorial. Thanks for watching.